Welcome back to Heartland RV. Today we're going to share our excitement about the new Prowler Lynx lineup. We've got something really exciting to show you. Starting with some of the great new features on the Prowler Lynx, you've got the outside kitchen, which includes the griddle, so you can do eggs and bacon in the morning and you can do burgers in the afternoon. You also have a refrigerator for the cold drinks for the kids and everything. And outside underneath the awning, if it starts to rain, you're in good shape. Speaking of features, you've got a 14-foot awning. The LED lights, its power, and you've got TV connection underneath the awning as well. So if you want to have movie night, it's a great place to gather with the family and friends. It's important to note safety features on the new Prowler Lynx as well. Galvanized wheel wells. If you ever hit any debris on the road, it's not coming inside the coach to damage cabinetry inside. And we also have a tire pressure monitoring system. We install the A portion in the Pass-thru storage. The customer buys the B portion, which comes with their sensors on the wheels, and they can monitor their tire pressure when they're going down the road by pairing it with their smartphone. It's going to enable them to monitor concerns before they become problems on the road. Great storage abounds in this unit as well. The 181 BHX has a ton of storage underneath the bunks. Also on the top bunk, it's a 300-pound capacity, and the lights have USB charging ports on each one for the kids. Let's talk about a few really important features on the Prowler Lynx. One of the things that you're rarely going to find is a sink in the bathroom. People are going to use the bathroom and they want to be able to wash their hands before they leave the bathroom. They're not going to a kitchen sink. It's a really important feature, but it's so rare. And the other thing too is that it's a gas electric water heater. That also is very rare because they usually only give you a gas only water heater. When you go to the campground and you plug into your shore power, it includes the electric. So why not use the power source that you already paid for? And then you can actually use it on gas and electric if it's shower time for the family, and there won't be any cold showers. It has a quick recovery when you use it on gas and electric at the same time. But when shower time is over with, turn the gas off and you're back to using the power source you already paid for. One other important feature about the Prowler Lynx is that it has full-size tanks. You're never going to find that on a smaller unit that's a single axle. 41 fresh, 40 gray, 40 black. You're not going to run out of capacity. When it's shower time, the quickest thing to fill up is the gray tank from shower and sink water and everything else. You're not going to have that issue with Prowler Lynx. On a family bunkhouse, it's really important to note, where's everybody going to go when the weather's not so great? On a rainy day, you've got plenty of seating at the U-dinette. You've got the sofa with cup holders here as well. And then you still have the double over double bunks. Plenty of space for the entire family. The magic about this floor plan is when it's nighttime and it's time to sleep, you've got this jackknife sofa that goes down conveniently. You've got the Murphy bed that actually opens up and the mattress comes down. Now you're ready for sleeping. When it's finished, you're putting the mattress back up, you're actually hitting the barrel latch, and you're putting the jackknife sofa right back up for day use. Once again, Prowler Lynx delivering the big features on a small unit. Residential size double bowl stainless sink. This is the exact same sink we use on all of our larger units. Really, really big deal. 6-cube gas electric refrigerator with the chalkboard station. You can leave a grocery list or a note for the kids. Large storage underneath the sink as well. Drawers, 2-burner cooktop, extra large window underneath the awning as well, so you can be part of things or keep an eye on the kids when they're outside and you're inside preparing food. Big features delivered again on the Prowler Lynx. All the windows open for cross ventilation opportunities. There are 4 in this coach itself. Huge window over the U-dinette, the kitchen, the Murphy bed, and the bunks as well. But you also have a 13.5 roof AC, which is not common. It's very important to have that air circulation when you have multiple people in here to prevent condensation as well. So it gives you all the conveniences no matter what the weather is. The whole focus on Prowler Lynx is to be able to offer a small package that's very, very big on features, with still the same size tanks that you find on a larger unit. Same size of other things too as well in the modern conveniences in the outside kitchen, but in that small package. Today's active family may not actually go to a traditional campground at times. They may actually go in some tight spots and things like that, and this small unit actually is going to enable them to get there. but they didn't have to leave all the modern conveniences and the big capacities behind. They still have all of what they need, and probably more. For more information, visit heartlandrvs.com. There you'll be able to see the Prowler and Prowler Lynx lineups and see the floor plan and size that suits you.